Hi guys, and welcome to a Nadine West unboxing. So Nadine West sends me clothes to show you guys every month. Hi guys.
Hi guys.
My name is Chauntel from askchauntel.com. These are my two girls, Selena and Eden. I am a Christian mom and wife and a relationship expert, and I'm here to inspire women to have healthy lives and healthy families. Welcome to our channel, and we hope that you love the video. It comes in a really bright and cute pink package, so you won't miss it. All right, you'll know your Nadine West is, there for you. I'm gonna pull these out. Oh, there's three. And here you go. See her Nadine West stickers. So the way it works is you fill out a style profile on NadineWest.com, and your stylist gets an idea of what you like to wear, and then they put outfits together for you and send it right to your doorstep. So if you're a busy woman, makes your life so much easier, so you can be cute and you don't even have to worry about the shopping part, girl. So pulling it out. Ooh, I already like that color. It is like a deep blue. Oh my gosh, and the goodies inside. I'm gonna try these on for y'all at the end, so stay tuned. Stay tuned. What is it? What is it? It's like Christmas every month. It's a dress, like navy blue, like deep blue, and I like it. It's bold, and it's got like a tie right here. All right, we got a cute little blue dress. I'm gonna do the accessories in a second. Let's just see what we got. Oh, I dropped it. Oh my gosh, you guys, let me tell you, I could tell you that coral or anything close to it usually looks good on me. You gotta know your colors, Look at that. It's a shirt, okay? It's a shirt. It's like a bone color on top, coral on the bottom. It looks a little large, but sometimes, when you put like a big t-shirt on like this with leggings, it's cute. So we're gonna see. Oh, do y'all know how much I love scarves? Let me just tell you right now. I love scarves. And it's like, oh, it's an infinity scarf. You see that? I can put that on real quick. Hold on. It's gonna mess with my mic, so I'm gonna just put it over here. But y'all know I really, I think I told you guys that I love scarves, and I like the colors in that one. Okay. What is this? It's a shirt. Okay. So this little shirt tie trend, I'm not really feeling it, but I do like the color. Okay, I think the color is really nice. I like burnt orange. Okay, and then I think it's cute how it's like it ties around the neck. That could be a really cute little accent detail. I'm just not sure about these, but it could be cute. I mean, I'm wearing a Nadine West from another unboxing that I did, and I mean, she likes to do little extra things, so maybe I like it. It's just gonna be hard for me to tie on my own, but we'll do our best, and we'll see how that goes. Oh. All right, so here's the jewelry. Let's pull it out. Oh my gosh, I love it. It's like mandala style. You see that? That is cute. All right, look at these. Cute. Those are cute. Those are cute. Lots of little circular things here. Now, I like the weight of these. I can already tell because I have a need for sometimes I have a hard time with costume jewelry, so I might have to change these. Oh my gosh, but the actual earrings, they're really cute. They're circular, just like this necklace. I wouldn't necessarily pair these two together, but one thing that I've learned with Nadine West, now that I've been getting Nadine West for a while, is that even though there may be pieces that you get together in a package, you couldn't put them together, but you can also put them together with some of the other pieces that you've gotten in the past or that you're going to get in the future. So think about your closet as a holistic thing, and you're pairing things together that you've already gotten from them, that you might get from them. And I think that that's really cool because, for example, I really think that I could totally throw this really cute scarf on with that green dress that I got recently. I'll show you guys because I think it'll be really cute with that. And then I've even gotten like a sweater, probably my first unboxing. I think this will go really cute with that sweater. So I think they think about you as a holistic person, and I think that's awesome. Oh, there's one more I missed. There were 3 in here. Oh my gosh, you guys don't know this probably. I think I did mention this once. I make jewelry, or I used to. Who knows, you know, once you have 2 kids, it's like, what do you have time for? But I love beads like this. I would buy beads and I'd make them, I'd put them together, and I think that is super cute, and I would totally rock this. So let's go put the outfits on and I'll be right back. So what'd you guys think of this Nadine West unboxing? Would you wear any of these outfits? And I'd love to know what your favorite piece was, your favorite outfit was. And if you have not subscribed to Nadine West, the link is in the description box below. It is an affiliate link, so if you do sign up, it does help me and my little family. And we love you guys so much. See you on the next one. Oh, and I forgot to mention that all of the prices will be available for you on askchauntel.com. Hugs and kisses. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. Oh, is it a scarf? Is it a scarf? It's a scarf! Infinity scarf. Wow, I do not have one this color.